It's Harrison Martel here in beautiful BC, August of 2007. We're out in the Silvermere Lake area, Hatzick Lakes above us, or Hayward Lake, sorry. There's a dam there which leads into this river, which connects to the Fraser River, which runs into Vancouver, some 60 kilometers away. We've just gone for a hike from my mother's house, which is another 2 kilometers east. So, just left the house, put on my running shoes, and ran all the way down the river, maybe about 800 meters, and then swam upstream. Maybe it's 400 meters.
So you just arrived?
Just arrived the second, yeah. And
you swam half that way?
I swam all the way back, correct, yeah. So now I'm going to swim back downstream the river.
You swam in the same amount of time it took me to walk?
Yes, the cameraman had a lot of gear to carry, so. But at any rate, glad you made it. I'm going to swim back and then I'll catch up to you later. So, greetings from beautiful BC. I'm Harrison Martel. Namaste.
Left.
Yeah,
left.
Come on down. Come and join me, won't you? Just keep going down the trail.
It's left. Well, that was the infamous Harrison Martel off in the distance there, swimming. And yeah, so I gotta hike back now, and this was my time. Oh, it was stopped. What the heck happened? I don't know, it was 18 minutes and something. I gotta stop and reset. Alright, well, I've started again. So, back up the boat ramp and see if I can beat him home, I guess. And the mosquitoes are out. Their carcasses are all over my body where I can catch them. Cheers.